Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I am here with couponing Storytime. I know it is not the first Monday of the month, but I still want to go ahead and do a couponing Storytime because this is really funny, and this happened like a day or two before Halloween, and it's just funny, so I thought I'd post it on Halloween. So this happened at a Kroger. I think it was last year, my main Kroger that I always go to, and I was there on a Wednesday doing pictures for you guys and then doing grocery shopping for myself. So, or the family was, or whatever, I don't know. My mom was there. So, anyways, we were doing that. And then, so what happened was we went to Kroger and I had a cart full of stuff and I got really good deals. There's lots of good deals that week. So, I got my stuff and I go to self-checkout, which is where I usually always go. So I go to self-checkout and I noticed this lady is dressed up in a costume. I think it was like Wizard of Oz or something. She was dressed up. And I was like, whoa, okay, they must be doing costume day. And they were. I don't think anyone else was really dressed up. I think maybe her and like one other person, but she was dressed up. So I thought, oh, she looks happy and nice and blah, blah, blah. So I went to her. And she was nice. I can't say she was mean. She was not a mean person. But I go to her to bring all my stuff through and it's time for coupons. So what I did was I hand her the coupons and she is reading them. And I'm like, uh-oh, what's up with that? So she noticed that the coupons said, okay, so coupons, here's a little lesson for you if you didn't already know this. Every single coupon will say limit 1 coupon per purchase. 1 coupon per purchase. Basically what that means is you can only use 1 manufacturer's coupon per item purchase. So for instance, I could not go in to Walgreens. Let's say I had a $1 off manufacturer coupon for these paper towels and a 75-cent manufacturer coupon for these paper towels. I couldn't just use 2 of them on 1 pack of paper towels. No, you can't do that. That's literally all 1 per purchase means. That is why every coupon, most of the coupons nowadays, back then it wasn't so much, but nowadays the coupons will say limit 1 coupon per purchase, limit 2 light coupons per day or something like that. And the limit 2 light coupons per day means you can only use 2 light coupons per day. You can't go above that. So if I had 3 packs of the paper towels and I had $1 off coupons, and each of the $1 off coupons said limit 2 light coupons per purchase, I can only use 2 of the $1 off coupons. I couldn't use 3. Yes, I am purchasing 3, but that coupon specifically states limited 2. But that coupon still says 1 per purchase. And so that's what it was. So she started reading, and she saw it said limit 2 light coupons per purchase, because I obviously always follow those. She'd scan it. Then she'd get to a coupon that didn't have a limit on it. So, let's say I had a manufacturer coupon for, I'm trying to think who doesn't have limits. Almost everybody does now, but Brute deodorant. They don't ever have limits on their coupons usually. So, it might have even been one of those. I don't know. I know there was a cheese coupon. Maybe it was Kraft cheese. I don't remember, but I had $1 off coupons for some cheese, and she scanned the first one. There wasn't limit 2 light coupons or whatever, so she literally set the other coupons, the light coupons, she put them in a stack. She went through and did it, because I had a ton of coupons. She went through and did that for all of them. If it said limit 2 light coupons, she'd use 2. If it said 1 per purchase, she'd scan that first one, put the rest of them in a stack. She gets done, hands me this stack of coupons. Here, I can't take these coupons. They say limit 1 per purchase. And I'm like, here we go, right? Here we go. And I have a video the day this happened, actually. Humorously, very funny. I have a video about this. But what happened was I tried to explain to her, oh, no, 1 per purchase just means 1 per item. 1 coupon per item purchase. She's like, that's not what that means. She was like, and she wasn't mean. She's like, that's not what that means. It means you can only use 1 per purchase. That's what she said. And I was like, oh my gosh, are you serious, lady? You are standing there in your Halloween costume. We weren't fighting, but she's arguing about coupons. I'm like, oh my gosh. And that doesn't, I would have been annoyed even if she didn't have a Halloween costume on. That just made it even funnier. Sometimes all you can do about these experiences is laugh. Truly, it's just laugh. But anyways, this went on for a little bit. I tried explaining it to her, and I was like, can you please get a manager? And she went and got this customer service manager who's been there a long time, and she told me you could use 5 light coupons. So she scanned them, and she was like, well, they're always changing. She finally did it, and she was like, they're always changing the rules on us. They're always changing the rules, and I get in trouble if I do something wrong. I get in trouble, and blah, blah, blah. I'm always getting in trouble, so I don't want to get in trouble over coupons. And I'm like, as bad as I do feel for you, it's really not my problem that your store doesn't communicate. You don't understand the difference between 1 per purchase and 2 like coupons or 1 like coupon or whatever. So yeah, that was the spooky Halloween extravaganza haul, or where everything went wrong for me. And like I said, I do have an entire video up about it on my YouTube. So I will actually go ahead and link that below, because that was a really funny, I probably was heated that day on the video, but I'll have to remember. I'm going to go back and look. So yeah, that's all that I have for now. And thank you so much for watching.